Assalamu alaikum, this is Amr from Heicore, and in our class today, I will make the logo and the title. So what we have to do basically is to make a folder for the assets, and then I will make another folder for the images. And after that, I'll go to the PubSpec YAML, so I can add the roots assets, and then I will go here, assets again, images, Command S, and after that, of course, I'm going to add the logo to the images folder. Let's see what I'm going to put this. Okay, we'll go find our logo, and I'll put it in the images folder. I'll basically change the name to Heicore, and after this I'll go to constants and make new file. We're going to call it images.dart class images, and then static const string logo, and here I'll write the roots, going to be assets images heicore.png. So this class is very important, guys, because I will use it in order to add more images later on, inshallah. So after that, of course, I will go to the sign in page, and I will go for container, and then I need to make comments like this, logo, and we're gonna go for child, then center, child, single, child, scroll view, child, and here of course we need a column, children, and in this list I will have size boxed. So the size box, I basically need to have the measurements, which is going to be width and height. So the width is going to be get.width. And of course, guys, I'm using the get.width because I want our application to be responsive. 0.3 like this, and I will go for import the package get. And inside the size box, I will have, of course, the child, and this child I will have image dot assets, and it's going to be images logo, and after this I will import the images package, then command this, and as you see our logo appeared, but of course we need to add elevation. So the wrap with the widget, and then we go for material, and after this it's gonna give it like a little bit shadow to our logo. Elevation, let's say it's 10, and of course you see this rectangle, so I want to make a circle. I will go for border radius, and then border radius again, and we're going to give it like 0.15. Very good. As you guys, like, it's very easy and smooth to do that. And of course you can change the elevation. You can maybe put it like 15 like this, or you make it 30 as you like. So in our case we will make it like 10. Also you can change the shape of this circle. You can make it like this. And as you see, you're free to design it in the way that you like. So what we have to do right now is basically to put this image under clip R rect. And the reason why, because sometimes you basically have another image that is not like circle. So what we have to do here is to add the border radius, circle like here, get the width, and then 0 to 15. And for the image itself, we're gonna do it like that. Fit. Okay, box fit dot cover like that. Very good. Okay, guys, so we finished making this logo. Now we need to add the text. So for the text, of course, like we need to make space. It's going to be 10. And inside here, like we basically need to make another. We can just copy paste this comment here, and we put it here, and we change the logo to title. And after this, we're gonna have const text, and then welcome to Heicore. So it will appear small and black, and of course we're gonna change it. We're gonna change the style, text is style, and you're gonna change the color. It's going to be white, and the font size is going to be 20. Font weight, and here for the font weight, it's going to be bold. Command S, and you see, guys, it appears in this beautiful way. After that, of course, we need to add another const, like another text. I'm gonna go here, const text. Basically, we can write sign in with your email and password. Of course, will appear in black, so we will have to do is change it to white. Text style colors dot white. Okay, guys, I see here it appears in this beautiful way, and thank you so much for listening. And inshallah, see you next time with another class.